Was that the perfect introduction to Champions League football for Leicester?
Yes, yes, was very important to start with the victory. No, we made a good match, but the match can change the face if they score at the beginning. They lost the chance, and our first chance we scored a goal. From that point, we had the control of the match, and Bruges had the control of the ball. And we played our style. They try to go around to find a right solution, but it was very, very difficult. We found just another chance, if I remember well, with Izquierdo when touched the post, the far post. It was good for us. Start our story with a victory.
How important for the players' belief and confidence in this competition to get a win like that?
It's important to show the reaction after the Liverpool defeat. That was very, very important. No? I thought from the beginning we can think about Champions League. Champions League is an experience for us. We hope to go through the group and play again. But for us it also is important, if we don't achieve the first two positions, go in the Europe League. That's our target, no, our desire. Continue in Europe. Of course, the Champions League is much better. But now we play just the first match. There are another 5. Then stay calm, humble, and continue.